Okay, students, we want to finish our calculations for the laboratory. They are due tomorrow before you'll be allowed to start the next titration. So what you need to do first, of course, is finish the balanced equations. We have HCl plus NaOH. If you check your notes from last week when we were learning how to calculate with titrations, it's right there. But again, you check your pluses and your minuses and figure out your products. So that's 2 points, as you can see there, for finishing the second half of the equation. Now remember, every single titration you use 10.00 milliliters, and yes, you do need the 0 zeros, those are part of your significant figures. You will need to calculate the average volume of NaOH from your data that you collected in the laboratory today. I gave you the molarity on the board, which again is over here in this little box, 0.121 molar NaOH. All right, your data with proper sig figs is worth 5 points, and we are looking for the molarity of the HCl. So just like in the sample problem in our notes, your first step is to multiply the volume of your sodium hydroxide, again that's what you got for your average, times the given molarity, again the 0.121 molar NaOH. That will give you the moles of NaOH, but we don't want moles of NaOH, we need to get moles of HCl so we can find the molarity. So you must have the mole to mole conversion step. That's worth 1 point of your calculations. So take your moles of NaOH you just found, convert from moles of NaOH to moles of HCl, and then your last step is to take your moles of HCl and convert to your molarity of HCl by dividing by the volume of HCl. So 10 milliliters is 0.01000 liters. And that final answer is worth 3 points. Dividing there is worth 1. So you get 3 points for accuracy, 2 points for having all your labels, and 2 points for sig figs throughout the problem. You have to have a balanced equation for each day. You must show the average volume of base that you used each day. Each number should have a unit, milliliters, molarity, moles, and a label, so what the substance is, NaOH or HCl. So use this as a guide. Please circle or box in your final answer. And again, you have to have the mole to mole ratio with all the labels. Please double check your sig figs at each step and at the end. So that works out to be 22 points per day. So over our 2 days of the lab, you will have a total of 44 points just from the calculation section and the data. All right, have a great night. See you tomorrow. Be ready to go for day 2.